Okay students, in last video we have started the important theorems or important integrals, the formulae for integration. That was the 7 formulas. I have listed the formulas and we have proved the 5 formulae out of them. Now let us prove the 6th one, that is integration of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square with respect to x is log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration c. Students, these are very important. They may be asked in an exam, in the board exam, as a theorem. Now let us consider the integration of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square with respect to x. Okay students, so I have given the list for some useful substitution. In that list, if such type of integral is there, that is integration of x square minus a square is there, then we put x equal to a sec theta. So therefore, to prove this, here the first substitution is that put x equal to a sec theta. This implies sec theta equal to x upon a. Okay students, and what if we give the substitution, then our first step is that we differentiate the substitution. So differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. We get, that is dx by d theta equal to a as a constant. Differentiation of sec theta, that is sec theta into tan theta. That is sec theta into tan theta. Okay, and therefore here dx equal to a sec theta, tan theta and d theta. Okay students, these are the important values, that is dx and the substitution here x equal to a sec theta. Now the integration becomes, that is integration of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square with respect to x is integration of, put the value of dx. The value of dx is a sec theta tan theta d theta upon square root of x. The value of x is a sec theta and x square is a square sec square theta minus a square. This is equal to integration of a sec theta tan theta d theta upon square root of, common out a square, we will get sec square theta minus 1. Okay students, you know the formula, that is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and therefore sec square theta by using this formula. Therefore sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Okay, and this is equal to, that is a sec theta tan theta d theta upon square root of a square sec square theta minus 1 by using above this formula, that is tan square theta, and this is equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta upon a into tan theta. Tan theta a get cancelled, and now we have integration of sec theta, integration of sec theta d theta. So integration of sec theta, we know that is log of sec theta plus tan theta. Okay students, so by here put the value of sec theta is x upon a. Now to put the value of tan theta, this tan theta we can express as square root of tan square theta, and the formula of tan square theta, now we have to write in terms of sec theta. Why? Because we know that sec theta, we have given the substitution, that is x equal to x sec theta, and that's why we have to convert the tan theta in terms of sec theta. While in last video the substitution was that x equal to a tan theta, that's why we express the sec theta in terms of tan theta, but here the substitution is x equal to a sec theta, that's why we have to convert tan theta in terms of sec theta. So tan square theta, that is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay, and therefore this tan theta equal to square root of sec square theta is x upon a sec theta, and sec square is x square upon a square minus 1, and this is equal to square root of x square minus a square upon a square. Okay, and hence our integrand is log of sec theta is x upon a, okay, plus the integration of sec theta is log of sec theta plus tan theta plus constant of integration c, and here we have to put the value of sec theta, tan theta, all these. Sec theta is x upon a from here, okay, and tan theta is from here. Tan theta is square root of x square minus a square. This is square root of x square minus a square upon a square. So out of square root, that is upon a plus constant of integration c. Okay, and now this is equal to log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration c, and this upon a. This upon a we can write as, that is minus log of a, and constant of integration c minus log of a. For this we put, that is constant of integration c1, and hence integration of square root of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square with respect to x equal to log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to prove. Okay students, and the last formula, that is integration of 1 upon x into x square minus a square. This is very simple to prove. Okay students, and please prove this formula as a homework for you. So how to prove this? So in this case again put x equal to a sec theta. X equal to a sec theta, then sec theta equal to x by a. Okay, and you will get, that is theta equal to sec inverse of x upon a. Okay students, so here dx will be a sec theta, tan theta, d theta. Put values, and in 1 or 2 steps you will get the answer, or you can prove the formula. Okay students, in this way we have to prove. Please prove this formula. Okay, this is homework for you. Now let us solve some examples. Okay, let us solve some examples from the exercise, that is 3.2. 3.2a exercise we have already completed. Now the exercise is, that is 3.2b exercise. From this exercise we have to prove the problem. Let us take the first problem. The problem is that evaluate integration of 1 upon 4x square minus 3 with respect to x. Okay students, so just I have given you the 7 formulas. Okay students, in these 7 formulas, if you observe one thing, that in every formula the coefficient of x square everywhere is 1. See here, coefficient of x square is 1, and that's why for solving the problems, first do one thing, that your coefficient of x square must be 1. So here divide by 4 we will get, that is integration of 1 upon 4x square upon 4, that is x square minus 3 by 4. Here common out 1 by 4 with respect to x. Okay students, and now this is equal to integration of 1 by 4 integration of 1 upon x square minus this 3 upon 4. That means the formula is of the type x square minus a square. So a is root 3 square, root 3 upon 2 square. Okay, and that is of the form, this is of the form, that is integration of 1 upon x square minus a square with respect to x is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a, that is x minus a upon x plus a plus constant of integration c. Okay students, by using this formula we have to do. So what is the value of a here? A equal to root 3 upon 2. The value of a is root 3 upon 2, and therefore put in value, that is integration of this 1 by 4 as a constant, integration of 1 upon x square minus a square with respect to x is, that is 1 upon 2a. 1 upon 2a, what is the value of a? A is root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 into log of x minus a, x minus root 3 by 2 upon x plus root 3 by 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay, and this is equal to 2 get cancelled. We have 1 upon 4 root 3 log of, here take integration, that is 2x, take LCM, that is 2x minus root 3 upon 2 divided by 2x plus root 3 upon 2, and 2 get cancelled. We have, this is your integration. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the problems. So students, to solve this problem you must know all the formulas for integration that I have given already. So please make the list again and again in every video. I repeat this thing, that make the list of formulas for integration, and not only to make list but also you have to learn the formulas. Otherwise it is very difficult to solve the problems of integration. The next problem is that evaluate integration of 1 upon 25 minus 9x square with respect to x. Again students, see here, the coefficient of x square must be 1. So to make it 1, divide by 9 we will get, this is equal to 1 by 9 integration of 1 upon 25 by 9 minus x square with respect to x, and this is of the form 1 by 9 integration of, that is 5 by 3 whole square minus x square. This is of the form a square minus x square. So students, we know the formula for integration of 1 upon a square minus x square with respect to x is 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus constant of integration c. By using this formula, we have to solve. So what is the value of a? This is the value of a, that is a equal to 5 by 3. A equal to 5 by 3. And therefore integration of, that is 1 by 9, integration of 1 upon 5 by 3 whole square minus x square with respect to x is 1 upon 2a. This 1 by 9 as a constant. 1 upon 2a, that is 2 into 5 by 3 into log of a plus x. A is 5 by 3 plus x upon 5 by 3 minus x plus constant of integration c. So here that is 1 upon 30, that is 1 upon 30 log of, take the LCM is here 5 plus 3x upon 3, and here 5 minus 3x upon 3, 3 get cancelled, and this is your answer for the given integration. In this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, now the next problem is evaluate the integration 1 upon 7 plus 2x square with respect to x. Okay students, also here the coefficient of x square is 2. So coefficient of x square must be 2, and for that divide by 2 we will get, this is equal to 1 by 2 integration of 1 upon 7 by 2 plus x square. Divide by 2 we will get, means common out 2, that is 7 by 2 plus x square. And this is nothing but of the form 1 by 2 integration of 1 upon square root of 7 by 2 whole square. This 7 by 2 we can write square root of 7 by 2 whole square plus x square. Okay. And student, now if we see, this is of the form integration of 1 upon a square plus x square with respect to x is, the formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. By using the formula, what is the value of a? Equal to square root of 7 by 2. Okay students, so put the value we will get, that is integration of this 1 by 2 as a constant, 1 upon square root of 7 by 2 whole square plus x square with respect to x. The integration is this 1 by 2 as a constant, that is 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by square root of 7 by 2, 1 by a tan inverse of x by square root of 7 by 2 plus constant of integration c, and this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 upon square root of 7 upon square root of 2, and this is tan inverse of these two. Square root of 2 will be multiplied here, and that is square root of 2x upon square root of 7 plus constant of integration c. Here 2 will be square root of 2 into square root of 2. 2 is square root of 2 into square root of 2. This will get cancelled, and this is 1 upon square root of 14. 7 into 2, 14, and tan inverse of square root of 14 into tan inverse of root 2x upon root 7 plus constant of integration c. This is answer for this integration. Okay students, in this way we have to solve. The next problem is that evaluate the integration of 1 upon square root of 3x square plus 8 with respect to x. Again here see students, the coefficient of x square is 3. So common out 3, that is root 3. We will get here 1 upon square root of 3, that is integration of 1 upon, that is x square plus 8 upon 3 with respect to x, because 3 is in root, that's why we have common out root 3 here. Okay students, and now this is equal to 1 upon square root of 3, integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus this 8 by 3. This 8 by 3 we can write it again, that is square root of 8 by 3 whole square with respect to x. And now students see, this is of the form integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus a square with respect to x. Its integration is that is log of, this is equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus constant of integration c. Here the value of a is root 8 by 3. The value of a equal to root 8 upon 3. 8 upon 3. So put here, we will get that is integration of 1 upon root 3, integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus square root of 8 upon 3 whole square, and that is equal to 1 upon root 3 as a constant, integration of, that is log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. A square is square root of, that is square root of 8 upon 3 whole square, and plus constant of integration c, and this is equal to 1 upon root 3 log of x plus square root of x square plus square root of 8 upon 3, that is 8 by 3, and plus constant of integration c. In this way we can solve the problem. Okay students, so this is, in this way, this is the integration of given. This is the answer for the integration. The next problem is that is integration of. So students, let us take some problem as a homework for you. Okay, that is integration of, please take the example as a homework, because integration of 1 upon square root of 2x square minus 5 with respect to x. Okay students, let us solve the example as a homework for you. Now the next problem is that integration of 1 upon square root of 11 minus 4x square with respect to x. See students, again the coefficient of x square is 4. So common out square root of 1 by 4. We will get square root of 1 by 4. common out, and that we have 1 upon integration of 11 by 4 minus x square with respect to x. And this is of the form that is a square minus x square. To make it proper form, we can write this 11 upon 4 as that is square root of 11 upon 4 whole square minus x square with respect to x. And students, this is of the form integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square with respect to x is that is sine inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration c. By using this formula, we can solve the above integrand. Therefore, the integration of 1 upon square root of 4 is 1 upon 2. Integration of 1 upon square root of that is square root of 11 by 4 whole square minus x square with respect to x, and that is equal to the value of a equal to square root of 11 by 4. The value of a is square root of 11 by 4. Okay. Therefore, the integration is 1 upon root 4, that means 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 sine inverse of x upon root a, the value of a is root 11 by 4, and plus constant of integration c. We can write it as 1 by 2 sine inverse of root 4, shift this to here, root 4 into x upon square root of 11 plus constant of integration c. Okay students, so here this root 4 we can write that is 2x upon root 11 plus constant of integration, and this is the solution for your integration. Okay students, now the next problem is that evaluate the integration. Students, please take one problem as a homework for you. The problem is that evaluate the integral. I have already given the homework problem. Okay students, now let us take another example. That is, the example is that evaluate the integration of 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12 with respect to x. Students, these are the very important problem, and these problems are asked in exam for 3 marks. Okay, so the problems are not difficult, but carefully watch the video, then you will get the method for the integration of this problem. Okay, so out of these six formulae, we have to convert the given integrand into one of that. Okay, so students, here in quadratic equation you have studied about the squaring method. That means this is x square plus this is the quadratic equation, and by making perfect square we have to adjust the integrand here. How to adjust? See here, what is the quadratic here? That is the expression is x square plus 8x plus 12. So here the middle term is 4. Okay, the middle term is 4. Middle term is 8. Okay, and coefficient of x square is 1. So the formula, you know the formula. What is the formula for for adjustment of this? The formula is that is middle term square, upon 4 into coefficient of x square. So middle term square upon 4 into coefficient of x square. By using this formula, we have to adjust. So what is the middle term here? Middle term is 64. That is 64 upon 4 into coefficient of x square is 1, and that's why the term 16 that we have to adjust here to make the perfect square. That is x square plus 8x plus 12. We can adjust here the number 16. That is x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 16 and plus 12. Students, in this way we have adjusted the number here. Plus 16 minus 16. Okay. And hence we can write it as a x square plus 8x plus 16 in one bracket, and in another bracket we can write minus 16 plus 12. Students, if you see this, then this is the perfect square. This is the perfect square, that is x plus 4 whole square. And this is minus 4. The calculation is minus 4. And this is of the form x plus 4 whole square minus 2 whole square. And this is x square plus 8x plus 12. Okay, students, in this way we have adjusted the term here in this way. Okay, let us so here what we have to do, we have to adjust the perfect square term. How? By using the perfect square formula. That is, what is the formula, or how to adjust the term? The for adjustment of the term formula is that is middle term square upon 4 into coefficient of x square. So here middle term is 8, its square is 64 upon 4 into coefficient of x square is 1, and the calculation is 16. That's why we have to add and subtract 16 in this way. Okay, and now our integration is integration of 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12 with respect to x. We can write it as 1 upon x plus 4 whole square minus 2 square. And students, this is of the form, suppose this is x and this is a, and this is of the form, see students, suppose this is x and this is a, and this is of the form, that is 1 upon, that is x square minus a square with respect to x, and its integration is 1 upon 2a log of 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus constant of integration. See, by using this formula we have to find out the integration, and that's why here the value of a is 2, and that's why it is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2. The value of a is 2, and that is log of x value of x is x plus 4 minus a is 2, and upon x plus 4 plus 2 plus constant of integration c, and hence the integration of 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12, this is equal with respect to x, this is equal to 1 upon 2a, that is 1 upon 4, this is 1 upon 4 log of x plus 4 minus 2 is x plus 2 upon x plus 6 plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problem. This is the answer for your integration. Okay students, in this way we have to solve. We will continue the same problem, same means such type of problems in next video also. But students, the homework for you is that solve this problem at least 2 times that I have solved in this video. Okay, and learn the formulas.